Welcome to our QuickBooks Online Beginner's Guide. Whether you're a small business owner or just getting started with accounting software, this tutorial will walk you through the essentials to manage your finances effectively. First, let's set up your company profile. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select Account and Settings. Here you can input your business name, logo, contact information, and other essential details. This ensures your invoices and reports reflect your brand accurately. Next, connect your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks Online. Go to the Banking tab and click Link Account. Follow the prompts to securely connect your financial institutions. This allows QuickBooks to automatically import and categorize your transactions, saving you time on manual data entry. Once your accounts are connected, the dashboard provides a real-time snapshot of your business financial health. You'll see charts for income, expenses, and account balances, helping you make informed decisions at a glance. The chart of accounts is the backbone of your accounting system. Navigate to Accounting, Chart of Accounts to view and customize categories for your transactions. This structure helps organize your financial data for accurate reporting. To bill a customer, click on the plus New button and select Invoice. Fill in the customer details, products or services provided, and payment details. Once completed, you can email the invoice directly from QuickBooks, streamlining your billing process. Recording expenses is just as straightforward. Click plus New and choose Expense. Enter the vendor, payment method, and expense details. Categorizing expenses accurately ensures your financial reports reflect true business performance. And there you go. That's a wrap in our QuickBooks Online Beginner's Guide. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.